What is up, guys? So in this video we're gonna install, you guys see on the buttons on the steering wheel, the carbon fiber pieces on the sides. We're gonna install this today. So very simple. I actually thought that we were supposed to take the whole wheel apart because to remove that whole trim you have to pretty much take out the airbag and stuff, but we didn't have to. All you do is like an overlay. I'm sorry I didn't do the best job, as you can see right there, but I mean, when you're in front of the steering wheel you can't tell anything, and it doesn't look like, it looks good. So check it out. Literally a $15 mod. Yeah. So we got a steering wheel ¿cómo se dice? Molding cover for this. So this is supposed to go right here like that, and yeah, it looks much better for sure. It's carbon fiber. Just gonna peel it off. So while Maggie peels off the tape, I'm gonna clean it so that it sticks nicely. Is that this side, right? Okay, hold on. Remind me to look at your car so that I can see what we can do about it. Like right here, I don't like that. Like right here, it's not like it's missing shit. I was gonna put like fake fucking buttons there. I'm gonna put like one of those fucking NOS. Put a NOS. Fucking, I don't know what you call it. That would be funny though, just to put something here and just put NOS. Yeah. Yeah, I got a new idea. So. Alright, so let me dry it now. Okay. So hold the phone and then I'll put it on. Okay, so God damn it, I'm getting nervous. Holy shit, hold on. I don't know where I should start. Hold on. Did I fuck up? Yeah, I fucked up. Well, so this looks harder than, I mean, it's harder than it looks. Oh my god. You gotta get it right. Okay, I think yeah, that looks better because it's kind of hiding it right there. Fuck, I fucked up. Oh my god. Whatever. Yeah, so yeah, it doesn't look bad. I think I got it. Alright, so yeah, and it's not bad. I'm pretty impressed, to be honest. Like, it doesn't look like, I thought it was gonna look worse, to be honest, but it doesn't. It's rice but nice. Rice but nice. Cool. All right. Fuck, man. So I'm gonna do it like I did that one. Like, how the fuck Like that, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, good, yes. There we go. Oh my god, this was easier. Yep. Okay, done. Yeah, this looks much better. It's black, all black.
And those look pretty good.
Let's see. Okay. Damn, aquí. Oh no, aquí también a little bit. No, it's good. And you know, all the buttons still work. No issues pushing them. Done deal. Good job, Maggie. Okay, cool. So I really like the look. It really looks better. It's all black. Hunters, unbox it. Well, take it out. Okay, so we got a shift knob, and it goes right there like that. Man, the car looks so much better like with black, to be honest. I like that. And then this okay, so it actually opens up because we're lazy and we're not trying to take all this out. So it opens up like this, so we can actually just slide it in there and watch that shit break.
Slides here, so.
Oh shit, it came with this one too. There we go. Yeah. Does
The other way.
No, the other way. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, that looks good. I kind of like this look better though. Like, what do you think? I might not do this one, to be honest, because this still matches the car.
The car, yeah.
And then this, I think, is too much. Yeah, definitely. So I'm not gonna do this one. I'll leave this, and yeah, this is cool too. Yeah, stop. Alright, so we gotta do this one, so I gotta clean it. Okay, so shout out to Maggie for giving me a bubba. Man, you can tell I don't fucking clean this car. Look. Holy shit.
It looks quite dirty.
Yeah. It was clean when you got it.
So you didn't clean it when you got it?
No. They detail them when you buy a car. No, they detail it for sure because so when I went to buy it, I actually I didn't like even look at it like that, and then like later on, like, oh shit, it's got a little scratch there. And they did a good job because they touched up like with paint some stuff that I didn't see when I bought it. Damn, this is like dirty. Look, what the hell? The fuck? Oh my god.
It's like glass.
This, yeah, what the fuck? I don't know if you've seen on like on TikTok or something. There's like videos of like for example, there's a car that they bought at the auction, and it has like red stains of blood, and they grab a can of paint, and they just paint it. Oh, it's just funny.
Here.
Okay. Alright, let's. So like that, right? Turn on the light. Oh my. Good enough? Yeah. Okay. And then where's this right here? Okay, so now we have the trim for the handbrake. And shit. Okay. I think it's fucking no. Yeah. Okay. So whatever. Okay. Okay. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I am not gonna do this because that's like too much. Yeah, it looks too much. I might actually get a different shift knob. But the problem is that you got the button here, so I don't know how. I don't think I can do that, to be honest. I guess I'll look into see if I can take this one out. But yeah, that's it. Maybe I'll try to get some video tomorrow. I'll actually clean the fucking car. But I really like this though, like the most. I don't think I should have put this, to be honest. But